my name is Kayla Cannon. I have been in the iTech program for a year now. This is the start of my second year, and I could not be more excited. I have enjoyed so many of the classes that we've gotten to take so far, and I look forward to learning in this class too, meeting a lot of new people. I noticed there was a lot of people in this class. This is my cat, Ham. Anyways, so this is my 5th year teaching. I just finished my 5th year teaching, and I just got a new offer at another school, which is a lot closer to my home, and I'm really excited about the new opportunity, meeting a lot of different new people. On my off times, I enjoy playing tennis. That's probably my biggest go-to. I like to work out, but tennis is just my thing. But that's it, and I look forward to working with all you guys this summer. Thanks.